7 AI tools that are completely free and honestly feel like they shouldn't be. No credit card, no trial that quietly expires. Number 5 does something people still pay hundreds for. 1. Claude. The free version thinks through a hard problem and writes cleaner than most paid apps. The catch? Heavy sessions hit a usage cap for a few hours. 2. Perplexity. Ask anything and it answers with real sources so you stop guessing what's true. The catch? The deepest research mode is limited per day on free. 3. NotebookLM. Drop in your own documents and it turns them into a summary or a full audio overview you can listen to. The catch? It only knows what you give it. It won't go browse the web for you. 4. Ideogram. Free image generation that actually gets the text on the image right. The catch? Free renders slow down when the servers are busy. 5. Suno. Describe a song and it writes and performs the whole thing in under a minute. The catch? Free tracks aren't cleared for commercial use. Check the terms before you monetize. 6. CapCut. Auto captions, clean cuts, and effects that used to mean paying for an editor. The catch? A few of the flashiest effects are locked behind Pro. 7. Google AI Studio. Test Google's newest models for free right in your browser. The catch? It's built for tinkering, so the interface feels technical at first. That's 7. I only show tools after I've actually used them. The full toolkit is linked below. Subscribe for the honest version first.